Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Sagittarius. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking few cards, Sagittarius. So, these are for your general energies, guys. These are for your relationship and for your career situation. These are the cards, guys, and I'll be picking one card from the Crystal Spirits Oracle. So this is your oracle guidance. I will leave it here. We will turn these cards now, guys, for your general energy first. It is Two of Stars, Ace of Spheres, and the Sun. So, in your situation, Sagittarius, things are falling into place, guys. In your career or in your personal life, you have a new beginning coming your way, a start of a project or some offer is knocking you. And you have people helping you, your friends or family. Maybe some collaborations in business, some partnerships, maybe, or in whatever situation you feel harmony and balance in your heart. So, happiness, success, and prosperity, that is what I see, guys, with these cards in your career or in your life, in your personal life. And you have you are fortunate today because things are simply falling into place. Maybe the efforts, whatever the efforts that you have put in your life today, guys, things are falling into place, and you have you feel joy and happiness in your heart today, guys. Maybe for some of you, you are moving towards marriage. Maybe this person wants marriage with you, or you want to marry them. You are going to propose to them, guys, maybe. And for some of you, if you were suffering from some illness, you are healing from that illness today, guys. So things are falling into place in your career and in your personal life. That is what I see with these cards, guys, Sagittarius. So let's see what are these cards for your relationship. So we have Alchemist of Spheres, Ace of Suns in reverse, and Ace of Stars. So in this connection, in this relationship, this may be what this person feels about you or what you feel about them, guys. So in your relationship, it may be your energy or their energy, guys. They have doubts on you, guys, this person. So they are not trusting you, or you have some doubts on them. You feel that you cannot trust them, maybe because of the way they are behaving. So something is not right, you feel in your heart of hearts. And maybe for some of you, I see that you may be in a temporary separation from them, maybe taking a break, staying away from them. And things are overwhelming you. Maybe you are quite emotional, today stressed. Maybe the separation, the reasons may be that you have come to know about some truth, guys. Maybe the truth you have learned is separating you both. They have not told you something. So you have you came to know about it through someone, or you yourself came to know about it today, and you are really stressed, and this truth is separating you both, maybe, guys. That is what I see. So, quite emotional today, and you feel stressed because of what you see. The truth you see is not what you like, guys. That is what I see with these cards for your relationship, Sagittarius. Let us see what are these cards for your career situation, guys. So we have Justice, Eight of Moons in reverse, and Fortitude. So in your career situation, you have that strength needed to face your situation. So whatever is coming, maybe some stressful situation, some problems, some worries, whatever it is, you are finding that balance what you need, and you have that courage in your heart, and maybe you are in an important position today. You are a person of importance. Maybe you are a team leader or a CEO. You are making some important decisions, and your presence is commanding presence with that authority and power. So you are in that position in your career, guys, and you are a very skilled and talented person. So whatever path you choose for yourself, you are doing the right thing for you, right decisions. You have that knowledge and skills and talents, and today things are going in a very positive way. Maybe you are clearing few debts you had, financial debts maybe. So you feel happy that things are going smoothly in your situation today, guys. So that is the reading with these cards. Sagittarius, let us see what is your crystal spirits oracle card, the guidance card for you all. It's Euclid. This is the crystal for you all today, guys. So this crystal stands for the wisdom from within, the inner truth. So with the cards for your relationship, we saw that you are learning the truth. Again here, the inner truth. So in any situation, when we want to know or when we want to portray that inner truth that we have in our heart, we will be authentic. So when we are authentic, it will automatically lead us towards prosperity, success, and happiness in our life, guys. So that is the energy with this card. That is the reading for you all today, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.